시간이 됐어 It's 2am 목소리 낮추고도 속삭여주면
The iPad's good.
이 밤이 좀 더 깊어지면 뭔가 더 솔직해도 될 것 같은 기분이 들어 있잖아 가끔 난 묻혀
This is the taro.
남들은 절대 모를 걸 이 준비 공개
Okay, now try the indomie.
So today is day 1.
잠겨진 문 그 맘을 우리에게 살짝 열어줘 Don't know forbidden island 차차 forbidden fruit 가끔은 왠지 금지된 게 궁금하거든 yeah. 순진한 가면을 벗고 흑심을 드러내봐 그런 게 없을 리 없어 이 준비 공개 모드 yeah. Off the record night This late night conversation 멈추지 않아 No more time No more kill my vibe This late night conversation
It's so beautiful. Look at the coconuts. And it's so sunny.
Is it good? I can't tell by your face. It tastes like matcha.
We're in H1. 진짜 고구마 빵. Which means it's really sweet potato bread. I think. I got this hairband. It is so cute and I'm so happy. So we're walking in USC Village. We are taking a tour of USC from Victor Ma. Right here? He's showing us the way. Yeah. Because Thomas doesn't know the way.
I do know the way.
We're walking to downtown Disney. Toby's taking his Airwan juice. He has hongus and Anne's. Getting our beauty fix of the day. We're walking back and the sun is setting and we're gonna go head towards CSUF. Hopefully it looks nice. And then we're gonna go to the Asian Garden Mall. The 2024 Year of the Dragon Market. So we're trying our jam. Cute little baby. Good morning.
Last day.
We woke up like semi earlier, 40 minutes earlier. But we're here at Cafe de Mama.
And then I count to 10. On to the next, that's what my mother said.
So I'm dipping this in the mugwort cream. It's so good. It's like mugwort. And
Happy?
Yeah, I wish I could have made you love me. Maybe
I love both of them. That's my least favorite.
Nice.
my guns to the constant hour upon them. They say hindsight's 20/20. Maybe I'll see you one day I will. Yeah, maybe I will. Yeah, maybe I will. Yeah, maybe I will. I try to
I'm walking to the California market. Me and Annie are. And there's this really cute couple that's in front of me. So I'm gonna take a video of them.
I wish you the best with some
So we're walking in Little Tokyo.